Good morning. For those of you watching it this morning, we're going to do a tutorial how to bend and cut rebar with conventional tools. This is for the smaller sizes, for more residential projects. Today we'll be doing a number 4 rebar, which is about a 1/2 inch circumference, and anything from that or below can be done this method. Number 5 may be questionable whether you can get by like this. So the things you're going to need: a pipe would work just fine. This one's 3 feet long and 1 inch in circumference, but anything from 3 to 5 feet would be easy to work with. And also the circumference should be between 1 inch and 3/4 of an inch. We're going to use a bolt cutter to be cutting the pipe, and the longer the bolt cutter, the easier. This is a 42 inch. I wouldn't go any less than 36 inches. And what we're finally going to do here is we're going to show you what we're going to do with a tape measure is measure out our distance and where we're going to cut. So I want this pipe to be about 47 inches long. Since the bend is going to take a little bit of distance to meet the circumference, since I want it 47, I'm going to mark 1 inch less at 46. And I'm going to run the pipe right along it, right to the line, and there we go. So what you're going to do next is stabilize the bar and pull straight up. Now for this specific design, this is going to be a stem bar that's going to go up a wall, and then I want it to hook into the foundation. So I want that about 8 inches long. So what I'll do here is mark out 8 inches. And bring my bolt cutter to that area. Here we're going to overview how to get the bends a little bit more exact. You have your medium here, and I held it down into this pallet here, as it's not going to go anywhere with all that weight. Have it screwed down to the pallet, and I'm going to put in about this 10-inch screw into it. So pre-drill it first so you don't crack the wood, and then put these in. And what you're going to do is in this fashion offset. So when you put in the rebar, you can set up how long or how short you want to be able to bend that rebar. This is a number 4. I wouldn't go any shorter than this. In this case, we have set up the rebar where we want to bend it, and we put the pipe for leverage and control over the bend, and we do a straight pull to 90. Right there. And then we want to do one more pull. Right there. Like so.